In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit custom fields in QuickBooks. Custom fields help you capture the exact details your business needs, like a project code, delivery instructions, or any unique label that isn't available by default. Editing them later keeps your records accurate and your forms consistent. So let's walk through the quickest way to get to them and make changes with confidence. Start in QuickBooks and look up to the very top of your screen for the global search bar. It's the fast lane to any area in your account, and it saves you from digging through menus. Click into the search bar and type Custom Fields. You should see a result labeled Custom Fields appear. Go ahead and select that result to jump straight into your Custom Fields area. Once the Custom Fields page opens, you'll see a list of the fields you've already set up. Each row represents a single field. This is where you can quickly scan names and get a sense of how they're being used. If your list is long, take a moment to identify the exact field you want to change. It can help to think about where you've seen it appear, like on invoices, estimates, or customer profiles, so you're sure you're editing the right one. When you've found the field you need, look all the way over to the far right side of that row. You'll see an edit option there. Click Edit, and the settings for that specific custom field will open. From here, you can adjust the details that matter most to you, such as refining the field's name to make it clearer for your team, updating any choices or formatting if it's a drop-down or a specific input type, or aligning the wording with your current processes. This is also a good moment to think about how the field's label will read on your forms and reports, so keep names concise and consistent. As you make edits, keep in mind that changing a field that's actively used on your forms can affect how information appears going forward. If your team relies on this field in their daily work, consider letting them know what's changing and why, so everyone stays on the same page. If you don't see any fields listed, that simply means none have been set up yet, and your screen will look a bit empty until fields are created. That's all there is to it. Use the top search bar to find custom fields, open the list, and click Edit on the field you want to update. With just a few clicks, you can keep your data clean, your forms professional, and your workflow running smoothly.